need you to be about we. If you put a limit on your love, then count me. Girl, I know my selfish ways be OD, but I just express in ways you don't see. Yeah, yeah, and you should know that I'm about you. If this ain't the way to love, then show me how to.
Okay, y'all, so today we are doing a little unboxing. This is what we're about to put under the cabinets. My mama had these in her bathroom, so I told her, sis, get me some, please. So I'm about to unbox them, and we're gonna put them up. Uh-oh, sorry, y'all. We're gonna put them up and get it together. Well, I don't think you really got to put it together, but we're going to put it under the sink. So she got these from, I want to say Bath and Body Works, or no, not Bath and Body Works. What's that place called? Bed Bath Beyond. That's where she got these from. Dang, it want me to struggle, ain't it? Oh, I'm going to do it this way. So they're already put together. This is what they look like. I said I needed some organization going on in my bathroom. My bathroom is all out of order. Well, underneath the cabinet is. So it goes in this way. Pull out your drawer. We're going to cut this. And we're going to see what those are underneath there. Okay, I had to go get some scissors. So, oh, we gotta cut the other one too. There's two of them. So, pull out. These are, I'm assuming some legs will go at the bottom. Hopefully you can see. So you have to have a screwdriver to put the legs on at the bottom. I'm about to go get a screwdriver and we finna do this. Okay guys, so I had some big bins under my sink. This is what they look like. I had those underneath here. So we're about to take all this out and we're gonna clean this off. And then we're gonna organize. I was looking for my Dr. Teal stuff too. Some 24-hour microband. All that stuff down there is literally Listerine. And then we're gonna use a little bit of Lysol. And we're going to scrub a dab. Dib. I don't know if I need to add this or not, but I'm just gonna get it anyway. I removed my rug and stuff so it wouldn't get wet and messed up. So that's some tissue. I'm gonna sweep this bathroom floor. So I'm gonna let this sit. I'm actually gonna spray some awesome on this too, because that probably will help get that up soon. A little spot, and I'm gonna have to back up because this stuff be strong. And I might actually have to go get me 2 more of these because I'm gonna need 2 under my other side of my sink. So we'll see. Y'all, Listerine stains don't be wanting to come up. And I think it's changing the, I don't know. But excuse a little hot water. See what that does. I'm probably gonna for sure have to go get 2 more. I hope both of these fit under here. And then, all right, guys. So here we have the final product. Okay, well, maybe not over there, but you get it. Yeah,